All right, so welcome. Today, I just want to show you a really cool trick, and I like to call it ad hacking. So within Facebook, you can go directly in Facebook, and you can kind of something you hear in our industry a lot is called they call it R&D for research and development, or it can also be called rip off and duplicate. So I want to show you like with whether you're in real estate, I'm in real estate. It doesn't matter if you're in real estate or you're not. You can use this, and I want to show you how to get to Facebook and how to see what people are running ads and how you can kind of ad hack. And I'm going to show you what I mean when I say ad hack. So the what we're going to do is we're going to visit this specific Facebook URL, and that URL is facebook.com/ads/library. This is the ad that we want. This is the link that we want to visit. And once we visit that link, we get thrown into the Facebook ad library. In the ad library, it's a little finicky. You have to do some playing around and searching or whatever. But within the ad library, you can see all of the active and inactive advertising that is running directly in Facebook. I'm going to show you here. If you've been following me and if you understand this channel, you know that there are four special ad categories and they're all listed across the top. So depending upon what exactly you're searching for. So if I was in real estate, I would probably select housing and I would search specifically for housing ads. So as an example, I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on housing and I'm going to search for, you can see this is some of my history here. I'm just going to search for specific housing ads within this criteria. So let's look for um, buys houses. Let's use buys houses as a keyword. It shows me different advertisers that is using this keyword in their name or their copy. So this is all stuff that is being, these are all pages that are being, that are using this name, this buys houses name. Let's do Realtor, Micro Realtors. These are pages and we can see the ads. So a lot of us, since I'm in real estate, a lot of us know about Realtor.com and Realtor.com Pro. I'm gonna click on that, and I want to see what do they have going on in terms of their advertising. So let's click on that, and they have nothing going on. Interesting. Let's look for Realtor again. And so, as a real estate professional, right, I can come in here and I can ad hack. So I can come in here and get some inspiration uh, of what my advertising could and should look like. So this is a website, realtor.com. This is the advertising that they're running. And you can come in here and click around and see what more details about what's going on. So this is the advertising that people are seeing, and you can kind of click here and interact with the ad if you wanted to, as if you were a customer. But if all of this is available, you can see all of the advertising that this specific brand or this specific page is running. So these are more ads that they're running on Facebook, directly within Facebook. And you can just come in here, you need some inspiration, you come in and you duplicate, you modify and you update your ads according to what you see here. So no more what should I put, what should I throw out? You can just find someone that inspires you or some content that you appreciate and duplicate that content. Let's look for, let's see if they're running advertising. They are not running advertising, but you get the picture. You can come in here, you can run any type of advertising. You can check for any type of advertising you want. This icon here is searching specifically within housing. I'm going to change it to search all, and I want to search for Coca-Cola. I want to see if they're running advertising. So they are. Uh, let's look for McDonald's. So here we are. This is McDonald's. These are the ads that they are running specifically. McDonald's is running advertising on Facebook, and these are the ads. So sometimes, like in my experience, sometimes I will find an ad on Facebook, and then I will forget uh, how to get back to the ad. And this is useful. So, say you see an ad, you interact with that ad, and you can't remember how to get to the ad. You can come right in to Facebook and search for that ad. So let's look for uh, Success Magazine. Let's look and let's see if they're running advertising. So yeah, here you can see just a quick hack, a quick marketing hack. Whatever advertising and marketing you see, or if you can't think of any ideas, you just come to Facebook, you grab yourself some inspiration from someone that's already within your industry or within your niche, or you can even cross pollinate and go outside of your industry and get some inspiration for you to create your advertising. And again, I just want you to show you saw the examples, but the way you get there again is facebook.com, and then you go to ads/library, and it will take you directly to that page, and you can search all of the advertising within Facebook. You have to put in specific keywords or advertiser names. It doesn't give you a browse feature just yet. I don't know if that's coming or what, but that is an option that you have to search for advertising specific to Facebook. So I wanted to share that really quickly because it's an excellent life hack, and it can save you a lot of time in terms of coming up with your own content. You go into Facebook, get some inspiration, and you're good to go. So I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.